In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook background color. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is the main mail view where you can access all of your settings. If you're already signed in, you should land directly in your inbox. If not, just sign in first and then continue once your mail is visible on the screen. From your inbox, look to the top right corner of the Outlook window and click the gear icon. This is the settings shortcut, and it gives you quick access to the options that control how Outlook looks and behaves. Once you click it, a settings panel or menu will appear. Next, click on General. This section contains the broader app preferences for your Outlook account, including options related to layout, language, and appearance. If you don't immediately see it, just look through the categories in the settings area until you find General and select it. After that, click on Appearance. This is where Outlook lets you customize the visual style of the interface. In this section, you'll usually see different options that affect the overall look of your mailbox, including themes, images, and color choices. Now find the color section, which appears below the image section, and click on a new color. As you select a different color, you're choosing the accent or background style that Outlook will use throughout the interface. Take a moment here to choose the option that feels most comfortable for you. If you use Outlook for long periods, picking a color that is easy on the eyes can make the experience feel more pleasant and less distracting. Once you've chosen the color you want, click Save. This is the final step that applies your new appearance setting. After saving, Outlook should update the interface with your selected color. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Outlook background color. If the new look doesn't feel quite right, you can always return to the same appearance section and try a different color until you find one that suits your style. Small personalization changes like this can make your workspace feel cleaner, more comfortable, and easier to use every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.